this video, we are going to talk about algebraic expressions. An expression with variables is like a calculation recipe. It tells us what to do, but it can apply to many different numbers. For example, let's consider the expression x squared minus 13. This expression says take a number, square it, and then subtract 13. So if x is equal to 5, then this expression becomes 5 squared minus 13, which would be 25 minus 13, which gives us 12. If, on the other hand, x is 10, then the expression becomes 10 squared minus 13, which is 100 minus 13, or 87. The expression stays the same, but the value changes depending on what number we substitute for x. Another example is 2x minus 3y plus 7. This expression has two variables, x and y. It says multiply x by 2, subtract 3 times y, then add 7. An algebraic expression is a meaningful string of numbers or variables, or both numbers and variables, along with operation symbols. Those operation symbols might include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or raising to a power. But an expression does not include an equal sign. That is important. 2x minus 3y plus 7 is an expression. On the other hand, 2x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 15 is an equation. An expression is like a calculation recipe. An equation makes a statement that two things are equal. Now, let's review a few important reminders about variables. First, variables stand for numbers. They are not labels. Second, in word problems and real-world scenarios, define your variables with care. For example, do not just write b is equal to beads. We don't want to do that. Instead, we should say something like, let b be the number of pounds of beads ordered. That definition makes b a number. Now we can use it in an expression. For future elementary teachers, this is a key teaching point. Students may be able to manipulate symbols before they fully understand what those symbols mean. Our goal is to help them connect the symbols to quantities, actions, and relationships. So the big idea is, an algebraic expression is a calculation recipe involving numbers, variables, and operation symbols, but no equal sign. And variables should be defined as numbers, not labels.